Cook like a pro with Magicook convection range of microwaves. Here's an elegant and easy to use all-in-one convection microwave with multi-heat technology. It helps you cook a variety of dishes with up to 7 different heat modes: baking, grilling, steaming, shallow frying and many more. All is possible in this one microwave. The double quartz heater lets you cook your favorite tandoori recipes. This feature heats up the microwave cavity up to 230 degrees. That helps in cooking tandoori delicacies with ease. Enjoy guilt-free delicacies with this zero oil cooking feature.
Here to tell you about this amazing Whirlpool 29 liters convection microwave oven. This oven is perfect for busy households and comes with a range of features to make cooking easier. This oven has an air fryer built in,